Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Steady Focused. I'm your host, I'm your number one, Mr. SimeonHendrix, and I'm on my iPhone. In the middle, it's outside of the gym. It's about 5:30 in the morning, Iowa Park, Texas. There's snow on the ground, and I'm shooting this on my iPhone to remind you guys, don't make excuses. Stop making excuses. Some of you guys have looked at my show and you say, man, Steady Focused is awesome. Simeon's killing it, but it's just because he's got great camera equipment. He's got great audio. BS. I'm out here on my iPhone, a smartphone, which almost every single one of you have. Quit making excuses. We're going to be talking about today, kick 2019 in the teeth and get yours. Let's go. It's the beginning of the year. It's January. We are all pouring out our hearts, our goals, our aspirations, our dreams, our resolutions, things that we have identified that will deliver us, that will raise us to excellence, things that are killing us, that we got to let go of. We've all made lists. Most of us have all made lists, but you know what the sad, harsh, honest truth is? 80% of us are going to give up and quit on our dreams, on our goals, on these things that we have identified that are going to elevate us to the next level. 80% of us are going to quit by February 1st. That's just in 3 weeks from now. Are you kidding me? So I'm so excited that you have identified things within your life that are holding you back. But guys, it's not going to happen unless you commit and you go for it. My man Gary V was just talking about yesterday. I saw it on Instagram. We got to do it when it's not convenient. That's the key, guy. The key to success is to push through, get up, and eat it when it's not convenient. I'm out here 5:30 in the morning on my iPhone delivering what it's poured on my heart to tell you guys that you can do this. Those dreams, those aspirations, those things that you wrote down on that sheet on January 1st, you can do it if you will commit to it and commit to yourself and know that you're worth it. Know that your family is worth it. But honestly, 8 of every 10 of you are going to quit because you don't think you're worth it. It's too hard. You're okay with being comfortable. You're okay with being comfortable, so own it. Just own it, guys. But imagine this. Imagine how good it's going to feel on January 1st, 2020, when you can look in the mirror and say, man, what a year. We did it. We ate a lot of shit, but brother, sister, we pushed through. We pushed through. And I'm so proud of you. How many of you would rather have that feeling than looking in the mirror and saying, well, hey, we're going to do it again. Let's make a big wish list that we're never going to complete. Guys, if you want to stop eating and overeating, just put the donut down. And I know it's like, oh, it's so hard, but it's that easy. It's that easy. Reach out to family members. Reach out to people that you respect. Call them up and say, hey, I'm having a hard time right now. I'm about to overeat. I'm about to whatever my XYZ is. I can't wake up in the morning. Reach out to someone who can help you, who can give you inspiration. Look to other successful people that you admire. Fill your mind with positivity. What are you feeding your mind? Are you filling your mind with trash? Are you filling your body with trash? Are you pushing out trash? Be aware. Stop being a victim. Take ownership of your life. Simeon, take ownership of your life. Guys, it's easy to make a huge list and pat ourselves on the back and say, man, I'm going to do all this year. I got a whole year to do it. But I can promise you, February 1st is going to come. March 1st is going to come. September 1st is going to come. December 1st is going to come. And January 2020 is going to come. Which side of history do you want to be on? You can do this. You can do this. And you can also quit and give up on yourself. It's easy for me to sit here and motivate and yell at you guys and yell at myself when I'm in a parking lot, 5:30 in the morning, it's 30 degrees out here. It's hard to wake up 4 o'clock every morning and go and go and go and go when it's not convenient. Find an accountability partner. Find somebody who you respect, who you love, who you can treat good to. Help raise them up, and someone that's going to help you raise you up and help you in times of weakness. My friend, from the bottom of my heart, you can do this. Kick 2019 in the teeth and get yours. Until next time, my name is SimeonHendrix. This is Steady Focused. I'm in the middle of a parking lot shooting on my iPhone to show you, to tell you, stop making excuses.